Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the number of seconds you skip when you swipe the cover or tap the skip button in books on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on books. Next, scroll down and in here, tap on skip forward in audiobooks. So skip forward, and from here you can skip forward by 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30, 45 or 60 seconds. So select one of the options, then tap on the back key. Next, you can choose skip back, and in here you can choose between 10 seconds all the way to 60 seconds. So again, select one of the options, and that's it. So that is how you can set the number of seconds you skip when you swipe the cover or tap on the skip button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.